Cape Town-based law expert Alfred Mavedzenge has argued Nelson Chamisa to learn from Senegal new President Diomaye Diakhar how he remained contagious ideology and selfless leadership to remove Macky Sall, a narrative of defiance, courage and unprecedented political transformation. I'm here to tell you about Bassirou Diomaye Faye, Senegal's newest president, whose journey from prisoner to president in just 20 days is not just inspiring, but a beacon for change across Africa and beyond. Imagine less than a month ago, Faye was confined behind bars, a political prisoner, his future uncertain. Yet the winds of change were blowing. Released from prison just 2 weeks before the elections, his campaign caught fire among the youth and those tired of the status quo. On March 24th, the election day came. It wasn't just any election. It was a testament to Senegal's democratic spirit. With a 66% voter turnout, the people spoke loudly, choosing Faye, a man who promised to sweep clean the corruption and mismanagement they were all too familiar with. Now picture this, Faye, a former tax inspector, a man of humble beginnings with a resolute vision, his first act as president-elect, a vow to tackle corruption head-on and reform an economy that many felt catered only to the elite, and his transparency unmatched. He was the only candidate to disclose his assets publicly, a bold move that set him apart. But Faye's victory signifies more than just a political win. It's a story of resilience, from being manhandled by police to capturing the heart of a nation. His ascension is a clear signal to the youth and the disenchanted. Change is possible. The streets of Dakar, once scenes of unrest, transformed into arenas of celebration, with people sweeping the streets as a symbol of the clean start they were promised. Yet the road ahead is not without its challenges. Faye has pledged to overhaul Senegal's oil and gas sector, aiming to renegotiate existing energy contracts to ensure the nation's resources benefit more than just a select few. This move, while ambitious, is fraught with potential tensions and economic implications. As we watch Faye's presidency unfold, one thing is clear. His courage and ideology have reshaped not only Senegalese politics, but also the aspirations of many across the continent and the world. His story is a powerful reminder of the strength of a determined leader and the unstoppable force of a united people. So, what can other leaders learn from Faye's remarkable rise? It's simple. Courage, transparency, and a genuine connection with the populace are not just political tools, but the very foundation of transformative leadership. Thank you for joining me today. As we continue to observe the impacts of President Faye's leadership, let's keep the dialogue alive, reflecting on how courage and clear vision can truly change the course of history.